Alright, I'm going to show you how to schedule automatic power off and power on a Samsung Galaxy phone. First, we're going to go to Settings, and then scroll down to Device Care. Here you'll see a section for auto optimization, and first of all, you'll see options for memory clearing and restart. You can go to the auto restart menu here and either have the phone restart when needed, which basically restarts the phone when it detects any performance issues, or you can restart on a schedule. The schedule allows you to choose the days of the week when the phone restarts. You can do every day, once a week, whatever, and then just pick the exact time when the phone restarts. So I could set my phone to restart at night, let's say Wednesday 2 a.m. once a week. And now my phone's going to restart at that time every week. After your phone restarts automatically, it will remain locked until you manually enter your PIN or pattern for the first unlock. So fingerprint or face unlock will not work the very first time you're unlocking after an automatic restart. For security, you know. Anyhow, that is how you schedule your Samsung phone to automatically power off. Click that like button if this video helped you, share this with a friend who has a Samsung phone, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.